Enabling two-factor authentication on Mavenlink adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Mavenlink account using your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure connection. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your account 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to proceed to the authentication settings. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, you will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch or check the box to activate it. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or app and complete the setup process. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Mavenlink account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method accessible to avoid being locked out of your account.